Morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Today, we're going to be learning how to make fruit salad. Oh, a perfect treat for summer barbecues. For this, we're going to be using some honeydew and cantaloupe. We'll also be using kiwis, grapes, blueberries, and strawberries. Alright, now before we start, let's see what this week's helper is. Yep, Shaban.
Shabab, your turn. Come on.
Shabab.
Come on, Shabab. Come on, Shabab.
Alright, Shaban, let's start by cutting our melons. First, we use a knife and cut
Shabab.
the top and bottom parts first.
Shabab.
Next, we peel the melon like so. Make sure we don't peel too deep. All right, now we cut the melon in half.
Putting on my fingers.
All right, now we grab our melon half. And we scoop out the insides like so. All right, now we cut the first half of the melon into strips, like so. Okay, now we cut our strips into cubes. Now when you're using a knife, make sure you be careful with your finger placement.
Oh, there goes Noah.
Oh, no. Yeah, I saw no.
Now if you've never used a knife before, or you want to make something like this, make sure you talk to it. Make sure you ask a guardian parent or DSP for assistance. All right. Next to cancel.
Don't do that. Don't be
Basically the same thing as the honeydew.
Stop that. Don't be your mom.
So, Shaban,
What do you want to do then?
what do we do first? Okay, but before cutting the skin, we cut first.
Okay, smell. Okay, yeah. And right.
Yeah, it does smell.
Get Emery.
Pass it to.
No, I come. Why here? Now we'll change it.
Let
Now
him
what do we
pass.
do?
Let him pass.
Break. It's the
Now
first
go to
side.
the fence.
The side.
Alright. And when we peel our melon,
The element.
Sorry,
Be
guys.
careful.
It's not you.
Don't.
alright,
Sorry.
Yeah, it's okay.
fine.
Let's put it in the middle. On the way down.
Mm-hmm.
Be in the house. The seeds. Put it in the garbage.
Mm-hmm.
Now we have
Into.
to slice this.
Right, and let's see if Shaban remembers this. You have no experience with a knife. Who should you ask? Let's see. Let's see if he remembers. So Shaban?
Water, please. Water.
I heard that.
That's a help.
What was that?
Okay, ask for help. From who? Next, we're gonna do the kiwis. Alright, first, cut the kiwi in. Let me use this. Yeah. More pieces. Well, the Wolfgang a little too full. The Wolfgang's too full.
So we transfer it to a bigger pan.
Transfer half to a bigger pan and move on to the next step.
Okay. So we're only putting some in the pan.
Right? On to the next step. Red seedless grapes.
So
Actually, you grab a vine, right? Pluck the grapes from it, and place it in our bowl. Next, we add in our blueberries. Alright, last we do our strawberries. Now we do our strawberries. First we cut the top part. And cut them into fours, like so. Alright, next we take our salad tongs and mix in our fruit.
That's very good.
Yeah, that's good. That's a good job.
That looks like
I see this job.
that looks like
morning. Hi, Emily.
Oh, hi, my love.
There you go.
I made my food salad
Yeah, I
for
know.
for myself and my friends.
That class, that class is how we make a delicious and healthy fruit salad.
Yeah.
Food salad.
So,